In this video, we discuss anterior cruciate ligament repair augmented with a biocomposite scaffold. The knee is positioned at 90 degrees of flexion and the borders of the patella are marked. Standard anteromedial and anterolateral portals are established. An arthroscope is introduced into the knee, followed by a shaver to debride the excess tissue and synovium surrounding the ACL tear. A notchplasty can be performed to improve visualization. The ACL tear is identified near the proximal portion of the ligament, close to its posterior lateral femoral insertion. While the surgeon inspects the knee, qualified personnel prepare the BioBrace by passing it through a knotless suture anchor and folding it over to double its tensile strength. A whip stitch is then performed 2 centimeters proximal to the distal end, extending to the most distal portion. We go back to the knee, and a luggage tag suture is placed in the proximal portion of the ACL where adequate tissue is present for strong fixation. The suture is tensioned. Then a second luggage tag suture is similarly placed and tightened. A tibial guide is then used to drill a 2.4 millimeter guide wire through the tibia followed by a 3.5 millimeter drill. A suture passer is used to insert a suture through the tunnel to maintain the tunnel for subsequent passage of the BioBrace. The luggage tagged sutures and BioBrace are then loaded into the knotless suture anchor. A drill and hand tap are then used to prepare the femoral socket. The knotless suture anchor, loaded with BioBrace and sutures, is then inserted into the femoral notch. The excess suture is then trimmed. The BioBrace is then pulled down through the tibial tunnel and is fixated using another knotless suture anchor. The repair is then assessed for appropriate tension and stability.